Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my granddaughter, Megan.
There you go.
And we're going to be unboxing the 2025 Jolly Box. Yes, I'm late on all the boxes and I am very sorry, but time gets away from me.
Shame on you.
All right.
I get to unbox it.
Alrighty, limited edition. Here we go.
I have no idea what's. Whoa, what? Okay. Stuff fell out.
Yeah. Alrighty, just tell us what's in there. Oh, this side here.
Fat quarters. I think that's what they're, right? Yeah.
Yep. Oh, pretty ones too. Ooh, I like that. That's really nice.
She likes that. To her, that is really nice. I think they all look really nice from the side right there. Right there, don't you think they all look really nice?
They do,
They
Mr.
do.
Grinch.
Really nice. This is not the Grinch.
No, I don't know whose voice that is. Then I thought it was the Grinch. Did you show that part right there?
I don't know.
Okay,
I
let's show that part on the box.
Oh, she wants to show the top part of the box.
Yeah.
That says. What does it say?
Oh, so jolly.
There you go.
I always like it when they do stuff like that.
I showed the fat quarters. I showed the fat quarters.
I'm going to show the pretty. Oh, and it's
But
heavy.
see, it's also. Hold on. Hold on.
Okay.
It's Bradley Blake.
It's what?
Bradley Blake.
Oh, by Bradley
My
Blake.
favorite fat quarter people.
Okay.
All right. Anyway, you next.
And I'm taking it out to show it.
You were supposed to do this so that I got the pretty one.
Oh my god.
Alrighty. There's a system in place.
I didn't know there was a system.
Well, now you know.
Look at that beautiful ornament. And that is a very heavy ornament. Oh my gosh.
Ah,
That is gorgeous.
that's it.
Look at that
I'm not
back.
going.
That back has glitter on it. I love all these ornaments. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to get you. Okay, let's calm down there.
It was fine. I was going to say.
All right.
Thread.
Okay, who made the thread?
I didn't know. I didn't look yet.
50 weight aluminum 100% cotton Mako thread.
It's mine.
Right here on the.
It's mine.
Okay, put down.
It's Orphill. Number 2615.
And you know, if you
I'm taking that.
put.
That's going to go in my sewing machine. You
No,
know
it's not. Alrighty. So, you're not taking that thread.
Oh, look, there's something on the inside of the box, too. Yes, I am. Thank you very much.
No, you're not, but you're welcome. So, if you don't have a lot of money and you don't know which threads to buy, because all you ever do is buy white, you can buy white, a light gray, and black, and that'll take care of all your projects for you, because the gray almost disappears in whatever color fabric you put it in. The black will stand out for a darker one, and the white goes for the whites and the creams.
No, the black will blend in with the darker fabric.
Okay, that is a panel.
you had the little twisty.
Okay.
That's what she's going to read to y'all.
I'm going to read that.
I don't know. Were you going to read it?
I don't know. It tells you everything that's in your box.
Cool.
Is that the panel?
This is for your panel.
I'm saying, is this that panel?
Yes.
Okay, well.
Do you not recognize the fabrics and the fabrics? See that snowflakes, and then this is the snowflakes, and then that's the white, and so this is the white, and
So 2 presents, 2 trees, and 2 houses.
Sure. If that's what it says.
That's what it is. Okay, well, I'm not opening that panel. I'm leaving that wrapped up because we already see it right here done. So I will just lay this all out. We cannot show the back of this because this is your discounts and everything for those that have the... They can't see it, honey. This is the front part, remember?
That's the way that you showed it.
No, like this. That's the promo code. You just don't give it out.
Okay. Oh.
Anyway, let's lay it all
Cover
out
the other
here
part
for
then.
Oh, and this is the stuff that was in the box. This panel is actually a tree skirt. And since I didn't take it out,
There you go.
I didn't know till I looked at this, because I always want to check to make sure that everything I've talked about is what came in the box. So there's the tree skirt. And now it says this.
What does this say?
Mistletoe and holly tree skirt, and can't even make it out.
No, because you're shaking, first of all, and second of all.
Mini stockings.
Okay.
There you go.
Are
Okay.
you happy now?
Yes, happy now.
Look.
Happy.
You jerked the camera there a little bit.
I did
the
this already.
box.
Oh, my hand's being directed to this and that and the other.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kathy's Cute Creations. Bye.
Bye. Now you hear the chicken in the room. Because she constantly puts everything on her left, she left all the fabric out. Oh my gosh.
Not all the fabric. There's still some.
I'm talking about this is the fabric. Okay, she's got the giggles. She's hungry. We're going to go feed her. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.